All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So I'm going to show you guys now how to solve for a missing side using trig functions. I'm going to show you slides 12, 13, 14, and you can try 15, 16, 17 on your own, okay? This is a little bit more difficult, so please take your time, watch this slowly, okay? And here we go. Use trigonometry to find a missing side. Now, you're going to have a little box over here you can type your work in, or you can write it down on paper and paste it in there. I'm going to show you guys how to do this on paper because I'm just old school. I like writing things out. Here's what we do. They are going to give you an angle, okay? So that's our kind of reference angle. So based off of that, you're going to label your opposite, your hypotenuse, okay, and then your adjacent. Cool. Now, we've been doing SOH, CA, TOA, all right? So here's the hard part. They're going to give you two sides. They're giving me this, the x, and they're giving me this, the 10. Notice that in the hypotenuse, I have nothing there. All it is the word hypotenuse I wrote in there. So I have O and A given to me. Look up here. Which one has an O and an A in it? Well, the O and the A is TOA. That means I'm going to use this one for this particular problem. It will change every problem. So tangent, which is TOA, of my angle, 27, equals O over A, x over 10. All right, we have one more step to do. I want x by itself. Guys, what's the opposite of dividing by 10? The opposite of dividing by 10 is multiplying by 10. So you're going to multiply both sides by 10. X equals 10 times tangent 27. Now, I miss our graphing calculators. You guys don't have that. You'll notice on this slide here, it says calculator. If you click on this, it's going to take you to little calculator. Now, we want to do 10 times tangent 27. So it's 10. Oop. Hang on one second, guys. 10 times tangent 27. 5.09. Okay? Actually, it rounds up, so 5.1. That's all there is to it, exactly as you see it, okay? So if I come back to here, when we say 5.1, my answer is x equals 5.1. Very good. Cool. So that's slide 12. Thank you for bearing with me, okay? You would type your work in there. You're all good. Okay, slide 13. Two more to go, all right? Slide 13. This is the harder one. Well, I shouldn't say it like that, but it's a little bit trickier. Here's my angle. I can't stress this enough to you guys. Circle your angle first, and let's label all of our sides. Opposite. Okay. Here's my hypotenuse. And here's my adjacent. All right. So, CA, TOA. Now, they're giving me the x here, which is the h, and they're giving me the 8 is opposite. The adjacent has no number next to it. Okay. So OH, looking up here, which one has an O and an H in it? All right. So I use sine of my angle, 46 degrees, equals O over H. O divided by H. O, 8, divided by H, x. Now, the reason this one is tougher is the last one, x, was in my numerator. Here it's in my denominator. This is a pain in the butt, all right? What you're basically doing is you have to multiply both sides by x first, all right, to cross this off. So we're going to get x sine of 46 degrees equals 8. There's one more step. To get x by itself, guys, what's the opposite of times? It's divide. So you divide both sides by sine 46. X equals 8 divided by sine 46 degrees. Okay. So, all right, keeping that in mind, I'm going to come over here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and clear this out from before. Now we just said it was 8 divided by sine 46. So 8 divided by sine 46, 11.12. Okay. So if I come back over here, 11.12. I said it was more difficult. I just meant there was one extra step. All right. So very good. This is slide 13. We got one more to go. Just notice that X was in the denominator here. Okay. All right. Lastly, slide 14. I come back up here. Just kind of trying to make this all make sense to you guys. All right. Slide 14. Rinse and repeat. Okay. So circle, label everything. This is opposite. Here's my hypotenuse. All right. And here's my adjacent. All right. I don't have an opposite. I'm trying to combine words together. So I have an A and an H. So, ka, toa. Which one has an A and an H? All right. Ka. So cosine of my angle, you always got to put the angle next to it, equals A x over H, 7. Where is X at? Well, X is on top. This is one of the nice ones. This is the easy one. To get rid of the divide by 7, multiply both sides by 7. So we're going to get 7 times cosine 39 degrees equals X. Okay, that's supposed to be a 9 there. My handwriting's terrible. All right, so 7 cosine 39. Clear this off. Okay, 7 times cosine 39, 5.44. Okay, boom, done. So guys, here's what I want you to do. All right, that was slides 12, 13, 14. Here's 15. I want you guys to try it on your own. You can use a piece of paper. You can type it out if you want to. Label it. Okay, circle your angle. Label opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Try it out. Okay, same thing here. Here's the tricky one. This is a word problem. Guess what? Almost ignore all of that. Yes, that's my dog trying to come back in from outside. She's so cute. I love her. All right. So there's my angle. Opposite, hypotenuse, just it's the same thing, but there's words there. Don't let that confuse you. Okay, give them a try. All right, I appreciate all you guys are doing. Thank you for hanging in there. Good luck, and we're all counting on you.